We just left. We are on our way to drop off Nova at my friend Natalie's mom's house. She said she would watch her for us. Shout out to Trisha. So we are on our way there now, and I think after that we are going to stop and get some food. She sees food. Bye, Nova. Alright everybody, so we finally got our Taco Bell. We are on the freeway now. We are driving to our meeting spot. I took my sweatshirt off because it got hot out of nowhere, but I'm glad because that's the weather that we're hoping for. So I forgot to tell you guys what we're doing. As you can see by the title, we are going camping. By we, it's Jordan and I, my sister and her boyfriend, and then my other sister and her best friend. We are currently all driving separate cars on the way to our meeting spot because we can't Safeway. From there we're going to the campsite in Chelan, and hopefully we have a safe trip. We are praying for good weather the whole time, and yes. Okay, I'll try not to crash. I'm irritating the hell out of Jordan right now, but I'm gonna get back to driving. I'll see you guys when we meet up. Okay guys, we're here. We don't know where we're camping at.
I mean, if anything, we just need to find somewhere to post up
That's
for the night.
One was taken and it was a big
Because it's gonna get dark like quick.
I know, it was a big one. It was a big campground, but it was next to a van, so she didn't want to be there next to it.
Let's go.
I'm like,
No.
You don't want to be next to a van?
Fuck the van.
What if he's a murderer?
Yeah.
Dude, then he can get murdered.
Do you have anything to murder with?
I will murder
What is it?
everyone.
What? Shut your ass up. What is it?
We lost our campground
Can I have a chip?
and we don't know where we're camping. We're basically just
we're-
spontaneous, and this is what we get.
I know, but
We're running out of light. Alright everyone, we finally found a spot.
I found the pizza.
We got pizza because we're way too stressed to be cooking tonight. We're trying to set up the tent. It's already dark out, so we have these lights all around our site. And there was a note posted saying beware of bears at the front where you pay, and everyone's kind of tripping right now, but I'm more scared of slugs. So we're gonna get the tent set up and I'll talk to you guys after. Okay everybody, I just woke up. I couldn't really sleep last night. I think it was because we're outside. It wasn't that cold, which I'm glad about. I actually had to open this window next to me. But for the most part, it was pretty good. This is our tent. We have an 8-person tent, and so it fit the 6 of us pretty comfortably. Everybody's outside right now. We're making breakfast, bacon and eggs. So we're gonna eat breakfast and then be on our way to go to the lake, get a good spot, and probably just post up there for the day, and then come back here and eat dinner. So that should be fun.
Yeah.
you can't what?
I will not tolerate this any longer.
What?
The smell.
Oh.
Getting gassed out over here.
Enough is enough.
We're at the lake and the sun isn't out yet. It's still early. We're waiting for it. Me and Jordan made a little bridge.
Oh, dang it.
The rapture came. Okay. Okay, one more time. He's acting out. Any thoughts?
Hey guys,
You're not allowed
kind of sore, kind of burnt, but it's nothing blueberry waffles can't fix.
Was there a highlight?
Going up in the air.
Did you do 180?
We went in our own waves, like we did donuts.
Yeah.
And popped off of our own waves and stuff. And
Yeah.
This guy, he said, it's for cruising. He gunned it. It did not feel like it was just for cruising, bro.
Alright, you ready?
I'm feeling queasy.
How you feeling this way?
We got what? We got this, you know, you already know.
Good.
Alright, get swimming out there.
Hey, bro. How was it?
That was fun, man.
Oh, yeah?
Freaking going through hella freaking fat bumps. That was fun, though.
All I gotta say. What did I just say? That was fun.
How was it?
Okay, you guys already know what's up. We got our corn, our tahini, and some, I don't know where the mayonnaise went. We got little packets over there.
Yeah, I get some more.
He doesn't like tahini on his, the weirdo.
Van tiene sal. Pero, tío.
Okay guys, our camping trip has come to an end. I forgot to record us packing up the tent and the campsite and everything. We already started driving away. Jordan's here. We have all our stuff in the back, in the trunk. Amaya and Jacob left early. They left yesterday because Jacob has finals and everything. So he wanted to get back, do some homework. My sister and her boyfriend over here, we're saying byes, hoping for a safe trip back. They're about to go back to the Blueberry Hills and pick some more berries since theirs got squished yesterday. And then they'll probably head back. Bye guys.
Bye.
And then we are probably gonna go find something to do while we're here, and then probably around 1 start heading back home, unless we can't find anything, then we'll go right away. But yeah. Baby.
They actually got bigger.
I know.
I think her eyes are different too.
I know. So we finally got Nova back. She's so happy to see us, and we're happy to see her. That concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Doses.